Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will discuss about profit and loss. It is an introduction video and we will learn some of the terms related and formulas related to profit and loss. Some of the terms. First one is cost price. It is the price at which the items is purchased and is denoted as CP. Second, selling price. The price at which an item is sold is called selling price and is denoted as SP. Third, profit or gain. If selling price is more than cost price, then the seller is said to be in profit or in gain. Loss. If the selling price is less than the cost price, then the seller is said to be in loss. Some of the formulas which we have to remember. First one is profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Second, loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Fourth is loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Fifth one is selling price equal to cost price whole in bracket 1 plus profit percentage divided by 100. And I'll show you how they derive this formula by using the profit formula and the profit percentage formula. So I'll just write here profit equal to SP minus CP. This is our equation, and I'll write this profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. So this profit will substitute it with this equation number 1. So profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP divided by CP multiplied by 100. So from here follows profit percentage is divided by 100, and this one SP divided by CP minus this one will split it CP divided by CP. So from here it follows profit percentage divided by 100 equal to SP by CP minus this one will get cancelled, so it become 1. So from here it follows profit percentage by 100. This one, if we shift it towards the left hand side, it will become plus 1 equal to SP by CP. So from here it follows SP equal to CP. This CP will go to left hand side, it will become multiplication. So this one we can write in bracket profit percentage divided by 100 plus 1. So this is the formula, or we can write it also 1 plus profit percentage divided by 100, or we can also write it, so here follows SP equal to CP multiplied by profit percentage plus 100. Since we will take LCM of this, 100. So profit percentage plus 100 divided by 100. So this is the formula. And in case if we have to find the cost price CP or CP equal to SP multiplied by 100, this 100 will get multiplied by SP and divided by profit percentage plus 100. So this is the formula to find the selling price, and this is the formula to find the cost price in case the data given to find the cost price in case the data is given of selling price and profit percentage, or this is the formula to find the selling price if the data is given only the cost price and the profit interest. And next formula is selling price is equal to cost price whole in bracket 1 minus loss percentage divided by 100. And this is in case of loss. So how to find the selling price if the given data is only cost price or loss percentage? So for this also I'll show you how they derive this formula. So they use this formula which is loss equal to cost price minus selling price, and they use this loss percentage formula. Loss percentage equal to loss divided by CP multiplied by 100. From here it follows loss percentage, and this loss is substituted by this formula, by this equation. So we will write CP minus SP divided by CP into 100. So from here it follows loss percentage, and this 100 will come to left hand side, will become division. So CP divided by CP, this will expand it, minus SP divided by CP. From here it follows loss percentage divided by 100 equal to this one will get cancelled, so become 1 minus SP by CP. So from here it follows this SP, if we shift it towards left hand side, will become positive. So SP divided by CP equal to 1 minus loss percentage divided by 100. So from here it follows SP equal to CP 1 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Or we can also write it like this, or SP equal to CP 100 minus loss percentage by 100. We have to take LCM of 100. Or this is the formula if to find the selling price if the given data is only given data is only cost price and loss percentage, or if we have to find the cost price if the given data is only selling price and loss percentage. So this will be the formula for finding the cost price, will be SP multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. So this is the formula to find the cost price if the given data is only selling price and loss percentage. And the next formula is if an article is sold at a gain of say X percentage or the profit percentage X, then selling price equal to 100 plus X percentage of cost price. And number 8, if an article is sold at a loss say of X percentage, then the selling price will be 100 minus X percent of CP or cost price. And number 9, when a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of X percent and the other at loss of X percent, then the seller always incurs a loss, which is given by the formula loss percentage equal to common loss and profit percentage divided by 10 whole in square. So the formula will be X by 10 whole in square. Thank you very much.